Alright, YouTube watchers, here we have this SMC Laguna. Picked this up on my way back from work. Not much. I'll show you the tag real fast. It's up here. Let's see. No, where's the tag at? No. There it is. Alrighty. This is the model with the variable speed knob and the forward reverse off pull chain. The bearings on it need a little bit of work, but I have the variable speed set to low. Like low, I guess low. You saw that? You were going fine earlier. The bearings have a bit of a rough spot in them. I guess. This is a very low speed. I'm just going to show low and high. That's as slow as I can get with this at the moment, with the bearings being in this shape. This fan was completely locked up when I got it from Craigslist, so I just go to high now. This thing does fly though. It is noisy. Very noisy. As you can tell, the bearings are completely shot in this thing. Keeps on blowing though. Let's just go ahead and do off. Reverse. Off. Spin down's pretty good on this thing too. So it just has bad bearings. I've tried W40 and some zoom spout and it's quieted it down and it's smoother now, but not perfect by any means. Just still debating if I want to sell this or keep this and replace the bearings myself. Not sure what I want to do. I really don't want to replace the bearings, but this one is in pretty good shape cosmetically and operational wise. Just bearings. And the blades are in good shape. That too. But I know a lot of people do want this version of the Laguna. And I'm not much for Lagunas. They're cool. I wouldn't mind having one, but I don't need one. So I wouldn't mind selling like this. If I do sell it, it's going to be 50 bucks without me replacing the bearings. If I'm replacing the bearings, I'm probably going to ask at least 100. Because it's a lot of work. I don't like doing it. But I can. There we go. Thanks for watching.